Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the BoYi GMK67 mechanical keyboard that was sent over to me by BoYi themselves for my honest review. This keyboard comes in a variety of colors and starts at a price point of $69.99. The color options are black, blue, green, purple, red, and white. And this is a plastic board, but it does come with a polycarbonate plate, plate mounted stabilizers, plate foam, PE foam, and case foam. It has 3 modes of connectivity, which is Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 Hz, and USB Type-C. And the best part of all, it has south-facing RGB sockets. So the fact that you're getting all of this for only $69.99, and of course you could find it on AliExpress for cheaper, but you would also have to wait the extra long shipping times that AliExpress offers. This one has prime shipping, so you don't have to worry about any of that. So if you were on a pinch and you just wanted to buy everything from Amazon because it's more trustworthy or whatever, then this could be a great option for you. Inside the box you get the keyboard itself, a braided cable, and a keycap and switch puller. Very simple, and of course you also get the manual. With this keyboard I wanted to try to go on the budget side of things, and that's where I picked up some Akko Cream Blue Pro switches, and for the keycaps they are the XVX Upgrade Gradient Purple keycaps that can also be found on Amazon. Now my friend MechTech Keyboards, a fellow content creator, is also going to be doing a video on this exact keyboard but with a different design and different sound profile for his build. Now for me personally, I just kind of wanted to throw it in at first and see how it sounded without any mods at all. Once I pin on all of the switches and keycaps, this is how the keyboard sounds with no mods done to it, no lubing of the stabilizers, etc. So yeah, honestly this keyboard sounds very good right out of the box. I was quite surprised. I did notice that on the plate mounted stabilizers there is some lube on there, so that might be helping with removing that rattle and tick. Now of course there is still a little bit of ticking on the spacebar and backspace, but that can be easily fixed with syringe lube. You don't even have to take these plate mounted stabilizers out of the keyboard if you didn't want to. You could easily just syringe lube them, and that is exactly what I'll be doing today. When it comes to the mods, honestly it doesn't really need any, but because this keyboard does have PE foam, I decided to just go with the basic old PE foam and tape mod because that is a very common combo that a lot of people like to do. Now to take apart this keyboard, since it is a plastic case, it is a bit annoying because you do have to pry the top part out of the bottom part. And then once the top part is off, all you have to do is deattach the wires on the back of the PCB. There are 3 cables that you have to deattach. Once that's done, you will notice that the case foam included is actually quite thick and does the job very well, which is not surprising because it didn't sound like it was hollow at all in the sound test. Here is how it sounds after the tape mod is done. So like I said before, tape mod is definitely something that is more of a you thing. If you don't want to do it, you obviously don't have to, but that goes with everything in this keyboard. This keyboard kit is very versatile. If you don't want to add case foam, remove it. If you don't like the sound of PE foam, take it out. If you like PE foam but don't like tape mod, don't do the tape mod. If you don't like plate foam, don't use plate foam. So it's crazy how versatile this keyboard kit is at the low price of $69.99. I think a very underrated feature is the keyboard case itself has a slot for the 2.4 Hz dongle so you don't lose it. I feel like not a lot of keyboard kits for some reason don't feature this. They just have it like off to the side. I really don't like that, so I really like that there's a spot on the keyboard case where you can put it so you won't lose it. The RGB on this keyboard is also very nice. It's a very good price for what you're getting. The way it sounds is awesome, and honestly I'm really happy that keyboards around this price point are getting so good that it's kind of hard to say anything bad about them. I'll have everything that I talked about today in the description below, and feel free to check out MechTechKey's video on this exact keyboard as well and see how his build turned out. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.